everybody, good news. My 4 plush has arrived. After 5 days, I was waiting for it for him. Alright, let me wind my lens for a second. And we're gonna open the Battle for Dream Island 4 plush. Here we go. Just like this is gonna be very similar. One of my friends, Giancarlo, has the 4 plush. Here we go. Here is 4. Wow. As you can see, this is the 4 plush from Battle for Dream Island.
Oh, look, everybody, it's the number 4 plush. Yes, it's here.
Yep, he's here. Here's the back. This looks larger than the My Little Pony bag of the plush. Anyways, here we go. Here is 4. Hello, I'm 4.
Yes.
Yep, here's the 4 plush. We'll take off the tag. Here's Battle for Dream Island on the back. Right over here, that's Flower, X, Ice Cube, a raindrop, and a grass, I think. Alright, here is 4, as you can see. This is 4. And that's the back. And the tag right here, and the back as well. Ping Pong, what do you think about the 4 plush?
It's nice.
Yep. Alright, so everybody, I hope you like my unboxing, my 4 plush. We're gonna see this in the videos. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna go to Worcester, Massachusetts. I'm not sure we're going because it's far. Or we could go to Hudson, New York.
Yeah.
Alright, that'll be it, everybody. Hope you like my 4 plush.
Yeah.
Sorry for the bumps.
Yeah. Alright, that's it for now.
Alright. Guess that means that's it.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go to, I'm not sure we're gonna go later because, Hudson, New York is too far.
Yeah.
Alright, that'll be it.